Well, sir, what do you think? Okay, why our education system is not
So, first of all, Bismillah, my name is Zoheeb and my father's name is Zulafkar Ali. Today, I'm here to talk about why our educational system is not improving. So, first of all, our educational system need a good structure in studies, and secondly, we also need some good teachers and well trained teachers who like cover our syllabus completely. Like our in our syllabus there are some mistakes, and like the biggest mistakes is like in the school we didn't learn that f small f, like we learn that it will be upon the line. But when we like educate, like learn it properly in this then we know that the f will be written on the line of like in downward now. So our
You mean that they are not you don't have a proper way how to write?
yeah, sir, we need that good structure of educational, and we need good trained teacher in our educational system, and like best structure for learning, and good syllabus for learning. Done, sir.
Well, that's great questions. I am telling you about why our education system is not improving, because we don't have good teachers, or not teachers are trained, and the copy culture is very common, and we don't have books. Books are outdated. They should have been updated and latest. And
But it has been felt that students don't take interest in their studies. What do you think? That students are serious about their studies or not?
sir, well, some students are serious, but they don't have a good education system, so that's why they cannot grow. And but some students are lazy. They did not take serious in.
What you will suggest to those lazy students? What should they do?
Sir, I suggest them they should have been serious on studies, and
They should be serious.
yes, sir. That's it.
So my opinion is that about the we have no any. I think we have the untrained teachers, and copy culture is very common, and we have outdated books, and we the books are not changing from the long period, and so we should be
But
changing.
nowadays there is improvements, and mostly all books have been changed, and they are trying to change it and bring new syllabus because of
Yes.
the government policy that they have to align their curriculum with the 2024 and 25 policy. So this is very improvements of the system.
Yeah. The second that we have no any buildings facilities like basic facilities. If we have buildings, they are very poor, and the budget is not. We have no any
So
budget.
when you are talking about infrastructure in a classroom,
Yes.
classroom, what you need to make it a good class?
Yeah, the first thing is that we have been first we should be serious with and we be cooperate with our teacher, and that's
Yes, first one thing, do not well-trained teachers, do not respectful for students, and many of studies do not like that, do not good. And the book old, do not new book. And the biology subject in the kingdom system, the five kingdoms. So do not the 2025 this system is not in the 2025. Many of these technology and advantage uses for this, and many of this old book reading and study of in class.
I mean that books are not updated.
Yes, these books do not the old books. So I think the changing the books now. And the teachers do not respectful for students, and do not support, and do not cooperative, and do not kindness and helpful for student.
Mostly it has been seen that the students, they disturb other students in the class.
Yes, most of these students disturb in class.